welcome back to my new channel, which is The Sassy Girl. So yeah, this is my new channel which will be about fashion, beauty and home hacks and lifestyle. So yeah, stay tuned for all the awesome videos coming on your way. And this video is going to be about the Myntra haul. Yes, you heard me right. Super exciting Myntra haul with Myntra is mostly nowadays on sale, and in these quarantine lockdown period it's mostly on sale, and I have got my hands on very amazing deals. And this haul is going to have fitness wear or gym wears most, and I'm going to show you what and all I bought, and these shoppings are of collective shopping of 2-3 months. So yeah, so without any further ado, let's get started. Going ahead, first thing I will show you the shorts I have bought from Myntra. So all are like gym wear, gym shorts, so it's very comfortable, and people who are not very comfortable working in like working out in shorts, they can also order these because it's super comfortable. It will not make you feel uncomfortable, or it will not ऊपर नहीं जाएगा. It's like very nice, and I also started working on these shorts first, so yeah, it's very comfortable for me. So first thing which I bought from Myntra is this shorts, which is like running shorts. It's mentioned as running shorts. This is of HRX, and my size is small in this, so I will mention everything in the description box, link and size and everything. So yeah, you can go and check everything there. So yeah, this shorts is like really nice, really comfortable, and I have ordered this in like two colors. One is this and one is it's packed. So yeah, one is in this color. As you can see, it's HRX is mentioned. It looks very classy and very nice. This is one color, and this is another color. It's like same pattern, same design, just the color is different, and both are like, I don't know, I guess it's polyester. I don't know, I'm not sure about the cloth. So this is, I got in sale for like 750 something. I will mention all the price on the screen because I don't remember. And yeah, so this is a great fit, very comfortable to work out. Only thing drawback of these shorts are like it doesn't absorb the sweat, so just sweat keeps on flowing. So this is recommended for running and not for inside inside workout. So great thing, great, you can go ahead and buy. It's like, it's, this shorts is my favorite, and I have done a lot of workout in this. I will just show you on the screen here somewhere, so how it looks and how the fit and everything is perfectly fine. You can go and check the size chart and order according to your measurements. Yeah, so this one is very nice. So next shorts which I have ordered is this one. So yeah, it's something like this. So this I have ordered in medium because I was not sure whether it will be too tight or too, but this is little loose for me, but it's really nice, really comfortable. This is also of HRX. So it's, I guess, basketball shorts. It's very nice, very comfortable, and this absorbs a lot of sweat. So this is amazing for home workout or running or anything. And also this short doesn't go up as you do mountain climbers or anything, so it's like really comfortable to go in public as well. So yeah, great purchase. And this I bought on sale for, I guess, 500 rupees, but current price currently is not on sale, so wait for the sale, might be you will get a great deal on this as well. So yeah, so moving ahead to the next shorts which I got is also of, I don't know, I guess I'm buying everything from HRX. So yeah, this one, as you can see, it was mentioned as trekking shorts or something, and yeah, it's really nice. Its length is not very short, not, it's above 4 inches above the knee, but yeah, it's very nice. And this has a nice pocket. So yeah, it has a chain like this, so it's very good for running, outside running. You can keep your phone, you can, it has two pockets on the sides. So, and it's really comfy, really nice, absorbs sweat, but yeah, sweat is little bit visible, so that's okay. Obviously you're working also, that's not a problem. And this was about 700 or something, yeah. So I'm not sure, but I got this on sale, so somewhere about 700. So this is another great shorts which I really love. Color is also nice, and I guess one more color was available, which was black in this. So yeah. Okay, now shorts categories are done. I just got 4 shorts. Now I'm moving ahead to the workout pants or track pants which I have got. I like, and also this also I got on sale. So yeah, everything was on sale. So this one, first set is this one. So this one is like printed block like this. It's really nice, really comfortable, but it's not high waist, it's low waist, so it's little, can be little uncomfortable. So if you're comfortable in high waist, if you want that waist tucker shorts or track pants or tights like this, you can prefer that. And this one I got for 600 or 600 something, definitely on sale, and comfortable, nice. Only drawback of this thing is like it's not high waisted, it's low waist, so while working out it can go down. So yeah, you have to keep that in mind. Otherwise this is great thing, very comfortable, clothes is also very nice. And this is not of HRX. Yeah, this is, I don't remember, I just post the thing on the screen. So yeah, no, now moving ahead to another pair of tights which is of HRX, which is completely black in color, but it has a very nice mesh detailing from the knee, like above the knee to below the knee, like this. If you can see, I'm not sure whether you can see on the camera, it has a very nice mesh detailing like this. So yeah, I will just show you. So it looks very very sexy, and also yeah, it's very comfortable like this. If you can see, it has a mesh detailing on the side, and it's really nice, very nice cloth. It absorbs all your sweat, and very nice price. Somewhere this was expensive, somewhere around 950 rupees, but it's worth the buy, and it will last you really long. So I'm wearing this from yeah, I got all these things long back, and I'm wearing this from approx 1 month. So yeah, it's very nice and very comfy, very nice. Okay, now moving ahead to the t-shirts which I got. Is the first set which I got is this one. This is, the size tag is still on because I haven't worn this. This is all small, and the price mentioned here is 999, which is 1000, and this is also on HRX, very comfy. I've tried it once, I haven't worked on with this, and this is really nice. The design is like this. If you do like this, it becomes like half sort of, crop top. The color is very pretty. I'm not sure in the camera the color is looking little different, but it's kind of nude color. So yeah, it's very nice, and I got this also on sale for, I guess, around 400 or something. Yeah, so it's very nice, very good, and very comfortable. The cloth is also very nice. Next set I got, this is another amazing workout t-shirt, and very stylish is this. It has written like balance, and this is a mesh detailing from your tummy area, and also the hand, around the hand there is a mesh detailing here, yeah, as you can see. So yeah, this one, and it has also hoodie in it. So yeah, it's very stylish, very nice, very comfortable to work. As you can see the cloth, this is not of HRX. Yeah, and this was priced around 500 rupees, but this was on sale, so I'll mention the original price on the screen. But guys, wait for the sale. I'm sure you will get this, all these clothes in very nice deal. So yeah, this is the one, and this I ordered in small, but still it's little large for me. But yeah, it's good. So you need little loose clothes to work with. Now moving ahead to the next item, still packed. So let me open this. So yeah, I ordered this white basic t-shirt. I wanted to, like, everybody needs basic t-shirt, so I just thought of ordering one. And yeah, I haven't opened this since then. Okay, I don't know why haven't I opened this. I don't know what are doing is, I ordered this like 2 months back, and since then I haven't opened this yet. So yeah, this is how it looks like, a white plain t-shirt. And yeah, just a simple plain t-shirt. You can tuck, you can tie a knot around here, or you can, just go like this. You can just wear like this with a high waist pant, or you can just put inside your pant and just wear with a white sneaker, very well to go, and have a clutch around it, so it will go very nicely. Yeah, this is how it looks, and this is, mention price is 500 rupees, and this is a size small, but still it looks big. But if you tie around with a knot or something, it will be very nice, and the cloth is good enough. So yeah, so moving ahead to the next item, next top which I got is also a basic black top, but it's little stylish. So yeah, here is it. I haven't wore this also. So it says Sassafras if I'm not wrong. Let me know in the comment section what this brand is pronounced as Sassafras to me. So yeah, this is a basic black top which has a tie around like this. So you can tie this around your waist. It looks very stylish, very nice. And this I ordered in size small, and it's written MRP is 9.99, but I got this as well in offer, I guess 600 or something, I'm not sure. So yeah, this is how it looks. Very comfy, very stylish. You can wear this with a long skirt or a palazzo or a tights. It will look very classy. You can go with this all black look or anything, like it will go with anything because it's a basic. So yeah, this is how it looks. So I forgot to mention one more lower I got for it's for traveling purpose, like loose if you don't want to wear jeans or anything tight. So this is a lower which you can wear anywhere, yet it will be very stylish and it will make you look really hot. So yeah, color, this is how it looks. Color is little different, little dark, but it goes you. It's very funky, very quirky, and very nice. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is near about the knee area. So this is orange and pink, and this is a high waist pant, and the bottom is also cinched like this. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's very nice, and cloth is little thick, but that's okay. For airport look, it's very awesome because you need to wear something thick so that you don't feel cold in airport. So yeah, this is great. You can pair this up with a white. As I got this white, see this, it looks amazing. So white t-shirt, tie a knot around here, and this is a high waist jeans, and just have a clutch, and you're ready to go with like super cool outfit, super comfy, and very nice. And this pant I got for 800 rupees if I'm not wrong, and I'll mention the price. Anyways, I'll mention the price on the screen. So this is one of my favorite purchase from this haul. This is amazing, and I really love it, and I'm looking forward to make an airport look on this because everybody knows we're not able to travel. So if I'm traveling, I'm probably going to wear this with a white sneaker and white shirt. It will look awesome. So yeah, now moving ahead to, it's not clothes, it's something unusual appliance which I ordered from Myntra because I was looking for something like this from very long, but everywhere it was very expensive. So I just saw on Myntra and I thought, okay, let's order and give a trial. So this is a crimper. Sorry, this is a crimper. If you don't know what is a crimper is, I will just show you. It's kind of straightener, but it gives you a wavy touch on your hair, like a wavy kind of thing. So I just wanted to try how that looks on my hair. So this is how it is. And yeah, packaging is quite good, sturdy quality. And this is like this. Wire is quite big, so that's not a problem. And this is how it looks like. So the blade of the crimper is somewhat like this. So it just, I cannot show you right now because I don't have any plug over there. So yeah, this is how it looks. It's pretty good, and because it's little small, so you have for doing an entire hair with this, it's gonna take you long. But for me, I just want to do few parts of my hair. So for me, this works good, and this is of Rosia company. So for sometimes this purpose, sometimes crimping, whatever it's called. So this is very nice thing, and I guess I got a great deal in this, and the mentioned price is 849, but this also I got on sale if I'm not wrong. So one last thing which I have ordered was for Raksha Bandhan, and which was a kurti, trouser or palazzo sort of set. So I was like really confused whether I should order this or not, and this is the design over here. So it was little complicated, so I thought why not order and see how it looks. So yeah, it was a great purchase, I must say. It's like one of my favorites in Pakistan. So sorry for this noise. So yeah, this is the kurta. As you can see, it's my favorite color. So yeah, till here it's like kind of transparent nahi hai, and from tummy area this is like sort of transparent, and it's open from center, and this is how it looks. The quality is really nice, and this is in size small. Yeah, the quality is really nice, but it becomes really sweaty. Otherwise it's really cool and very comfortable, and design is really nice. I was just, diplomat. I was just thinking whether to order this or not, whether it looks good or not. So this is how the kurti looks. It's really nice, and the palazzo is like this. It's more of a pant. So yeah, the bottom is like this. As you can see, it is like a cross cut, and it also has a pocket, so very convenient for girls, both the sides, for girls to keep their phone and everything. So yeah, great purchase, and this is how it looks. And I already wore it, and so yeah, you can just have a look how it looks on me, and perfectly fit the size. So yeah, go ahead and order. This is a great purchase. So that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like it. If you like it, please share this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also stay tuned for all the amazing hauls, Myntra hauls, Nykaa hauls, Amazon hauls, and to know all the amazing deals going on all the sites, and how you can shop in cheap, and for all the beauty hacks, homemade hair masks, homemade face pack, etc. So I'm going to come with a lot of exciting videos. I hope you guys will like it. If you like it, you know what you have to do. You have to subscribe to my channel. Also, you have to share them. If you have any kind of feedback for my video for my channel, please let me know in the comment section. And please don't spread any kind of hate. It's a humble request. So yeah. So till then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. Stay safe. Stay healthy and hot. Stay beautiful as you all are. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video.